Yeah, hi friends. This is the current situation of this pouring of fifth and sixth strips of extension of concrete footpath or ramp. So this is the second batch, which is 14.5 liters. The first batch is 12 liters, and the second batch is 14.5, a total of 26.5 liters. So now I'm removing the middle shutter to be able to put concrete in between the soap board. And then I'm put some concrete mix on the sides. And vibrate a bit. So this is what I use to level the concrete surface with the help of timber board. I used to be able to level the concrete. If there's a gap in it, I just refill it. And same thing, I put the concrete on the right hand side. And start vibrating to remove the air content to prevent excessive voids and honeycombs. Normally in construction we use a vibrator, a different type of vibrator we use to compact or vibrate the fresh concrete. And then the same thing, I have to push the concrete on the left hand side. Yesterday I wasn't able to work because I went to Bunnings and I bought the materials that I was using today. Alright, so I was run out of cement, so I just finished this one and get more cement from my storage. Alright, thank you my friends, and see you on the next video. Bye for now.